Macro photographers, may I have your attention please? You've been asking us for this for a long time and now it's finally here. Zoner Studio now includes focus stacking. Hello, in this video we're going to be taking a look at the new Zoner Studio feature, the long-awaited focus stacking. But first, let's explain what focus stacking actually is. It's basically the process of combining multiple photos with different planes of focus to create an image with the greatest possible depth of field. In other words, one super sharp photo. It's mainly used in macro photography, so typical subjects for focus stacking are tiny insects, flowers, birds, or various other small details. Because capturing a tiny object completely, sharply, and in focus in a single shot is practically impossible, you'll use the focus bracketing function in your camera while shooting. The result is dozens of photos focused on different parts of the subject. For example, the antenna, eyes, wings, legs, and then all these images are merged into one single photo that is sharp all over the place. Now, for the best results during stacking, using a tripod and a macro lens is essential. Without this properly prepared setup, neither Zoner Studio or any other software is going to magically fix the photos for you. And of course, this rule applies. The more photos, the better. And by that I mean like dozens of photos. It's also better to lock your white balance and exposure while shooting so there aren't any inconsistencies during the merging process. Before stacking, it's also a good idea to correct any lens imperfections in the develop module under camera and lens. Now, let's finally take a look at where to find focus stacking in Zoner Studio and how it works. Here in the film strip, I'll select the photos that I want to merge, and thanks to the improved photo grouping, I already have a group marked right here with the focus stacking icon, and all I need to do is just click this merge button here. If you don't know how to stack your photos, check out this video, and you'll find a link in the description as well, but now let's get back to focus stacking. If your photos aren't grouped yet, simply select them in the film strip or browser, and click this Detect Stack icon in the navigator and toolbar. It automatically recognizes that the images belong to a focus stacking sequence and merges them for you. A window will open where you can choose to crop the resulting image, and this option is enabled by default in case there were any slight movements between shots. And basically, that's it. You don't need to configure anything complex or click through tons of settings. Once the stacking process is finished, you'll find the resulting image as the first photo in the group. The image is saved in TIFF format, so you get a very high quality file that you can continue editing in the develop module without any loss of quality. So if you're a macro photographer and you still don't have Zoner Studio, please visit the video description where you can download it and try out these features for yourself so that you know we're not joking around. See you in the next video.